was a shallow sea. And as those sea critters died and their bones and shells covered the seafloor, they got compressed into the limestone that this cave is made out of. It's the Paha Sapa limestone. When the seas went away, little cracks formed in that limestone, which got filled in with calcite. Then later on, the Black Hills uplifted, forming even larger cracks and fractures, allowing water to flow in. That water picked up carbon dioxide, and that makes carbonic acid. When carbonic acid is sitting in those cracks and fractures for millions of years, it's slowly dissolving away limestone, creating all the cave rooms and passageways that we're now walking through, before eventually slowly just draining farther down into the cave. It's also exposing all that calcite that was running through the limestone as it was forming this cave, showing all of this stuff right above us. What does this stuff look like to you guys? Spider webs.
Honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
Spider web.
Paper wasp.
A paper wasp.
Paper wasp, yeah. Looks like a lot of different kinds of things, right?
Yeah.
When those early explorers came down into the cave and saw this stuff on the ceilings and the walls all over the place, they thought it looked like the boxes at the post office where they got their mail. It's called boxwork. It's very, very abundant in our cave. We have about 95% of the world's known boxwork right here in this cave. So you'll see a lot more of it as we're walking. It can also be pretty fragile. And it's not a growing cave formation. It was here before the cave was formed. It was all that calcite. So that means if it were to break off or be taken off the walls or ceilings, it's not going to grow back. You have other kinds of cave formations that are growing, but this boxwork isn't. So it's one of the things that makes Wind Cave so unique, this boxwork. You can't find it like hardly any other caves. Does anybody have any questions on anything? Yeah?
You said like 95%.